In today's rapidly evolving global economy, technical and vocational education and training is more crucial than ever. This session explores how vocational education serves as a catalyst for economic growth and sustainability, equipping individuals with the skills needed to thrive in key industries. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or leave a comment with your thoughts. The role of technical, vocational education and training in economic development. Vocational education is pivotal in fostering economic development across nations. By aligning vocational education with labor market needs, ensures that individuals have the skills and knowledge necessary for specific trades and professions, promoting employment and economic growth. Understanding economic drivers. Vocational education programs must be closely aligned with a country's main economic sectors to be effective. This alignment allows vocational education professionals and policymakers to tailor qualifications to current and future economic needs, ensuring that graduates possess skills in high demand. For example, Germany, the dual vocational education system, which integrates classroom-based education with on-the-job training, is a model that reflects the country's industrial economy. This system has been instrumental in maintaining Germany's position as a global leader in manufacturing and engineering. Singapore, the Skills Future Initiative is another excellent example of forecasting future skill needs. By analyzing economic trends and identifying key growth sectors, such as biotechnology and digital media, Singapore is preparing its workforce for the demands of tomorrow. Aligning vocational education with market needs. By designing qualifications matched with labor market needs, countries can significantly reduce skills gaps and improve employment outcomes for graduates. This approach helps drive economic growth and creates a more skilled and productive workforce. For example, Tanzania. Agriculture is a major economic driver and vocational education interventions often focus on agricultural skills. This prepares students for work in this sector and contributes to the country's economic growth. Saudi Arabia and UAE. In these countries, where oil and gas are predominant sectors, vocational education programs often include training in petroleum engineering and other related fields, directly feeding into the workforce needs of these critical industries. However, there is a shift towards green economies, especially in the construction industry and sustainable tourism. Promoting economic growth through vocational education can be seen across various dimensions. For example, 1. Skills development. Vocational education equips individuals with the specific skills required for various trades, crafts, and careers. These skills are often directly linked to market demands, which can lead to increased employment rates. 2. Economic productivity. Vocational education enhances economic productivity by providing a skilled workforce. Businesses benefit from a pool of workers already equipped with the necessary skills, thereby reducing the time and cost associated with training. 3. Reducing unemployment. Vocational education is particularly effective in reducing unemployment among youth by providing them with the skills needed in the job market. This, in turn, helps to reduce poverty levels. 4. Fostering entrepreneurship. Many vocational education programs include components of business and entrepreneurship. This fosters a culture of entrepreneurship and leads to the creation of new businesses, further contributing to economic development. 5. Promoting social inclusion. Vocational education provides opportunities for marginalized groups, promotes social inclusion, and reduces income inequality, which is crucial for sustainable economic development. 6. Supporting sustainable development. Vocational education also contributes to sustainable development by providing skills in areas such as renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and other green jobs, which are increasingly important in today's economy. Here are some more global examples illustrating how vocational education aligns with specific economic drivers and sectors, contributing to economic development. United States. Career and technical education plays a significant role in healthcare, information technology, and advanced manufacturing sectors. Community colleges offer programs tailored to these high-demand industries, directly responding to the growing need for skilled professionals. Australia. The vocational education and training system is crucial for the mining and construction sectors. These sectors significantly contribute to the Australian economy, and the vocational education system provides the necessary training for these high-demand jobs. India. The Skill India initiative aims to train over 400 million people in various skills. Focusing on textiles, construction, and automotive sectors, this initiative is vital for India's economic future, ensuring its large youth population is well equipped to contribute to these key industries. Brazil. The National Service for Industrial Training is a leading institution providing vocational education, which focuses on training youth for manufacturing and services sectors, critical to Brazil's economic development. Tools and methodologies for identifying economic sectors. Identifying the most significant economic sectors within a country or region is crucial for designing effective vocational education programs. Several tools and methodologies can assist in this process, for example, economic data analysis, analyzing GDP contribution, employment figures, and industry output data helps identify key sectors that contribute to economic growth. Input-output analysis. This technique reveals the interdependencies between different sectors, highlighting those with strong linkages crucial to the overall economy. Economic base analysis. By identifying sectors that bring income into the economy from outside, policymakers can focus on those sectors as drivers of economic growth. Shift share analysis. This method helps identify which sectors are growing faster or slower than the overall economy, providing insights into where interventions may be needed. Location quotient, LQ. This statistical tool quantifies the concentration of industries within a region compared to the national average, helping to identify key sectors for development. SWOT analysis helps to identify economic sectors' strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, guiding the development of strategies for economic growth. Labor market information, LMI, provides valuable insights into labor demand across sectors, identifying growing and declining industries and informing the development of relevant vocational education programs. Conclusion: technical, vocational education and training is a powerful tool for economic development. By aligning vocational education with a country's economic drivers and sectors, it can effectively contribute to sustainable growth and prosperity. The key to ensuring that vocational education programs meet the economy's needs lies in labor market information, which provides the data to guide program development. As we look to the future, it's clear that technical, vocational education and training will continue to play a critical role in shaping the workforce of tomorrow. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights into technical, vocational education and training, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on how we can collectively drive economic growth through targeted vocational education. Also, don't forget to check out my website for more useful free resources. The link is in the description below. See you in our next session.